how to add free shipping icon on Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify website right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen, and then under the apps, just click the add button, and then this will pop up. So just click the Shopify App Store. And then once you're now here on the search bar, search for Hexdom Sales Boost, and then click enter. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to look for Hexdom Upsell Sales Boost, and then just click the install button. Then while we're waiting, currently Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay about $1 for the first 3 months. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box or the pinned comment section. So there will be a link right there, which will redirect you right here. So going back into our video. So once you're now here, just click install button again. And then once you're now here, just scroll down in this part under the boost campaigns and then look for this one, which is the limited quantities. So just select that one right there. And then for the campaign name, what we're going to do is to rename this into free shipping campaign. And then if you scroll down for the home collection page configuration, product image overlay, make sure to turn it on. And then for the overlay type, make sure that it is image label. And then in this part under the image label for the message, change it to free shipping. So this is what it looks like on your store. So on this part, if you want to change the position, the shape, the background color, the font size, and so on, you can do that. But I will just leave it as it is, and make sure that you also turn this on and also this one. And then if you scroll down under the product page configuration for the message, if you want to turn it on, you can do that. So just click that one right there. And then for the message, you can put maybe like this one. So if you want to put the free shipping on orders over $50, you can do that. But maybe let's say, for example, only $20. So that could also work. So just put it right here. And then for the emoji, you can also change that also for the font size. So if you want to do custom position, you can do that by just enabling this one and then customize the position of the message. And then for the get it by timer, you can do that also by just turning this on. So as you can see, this is a preview only. So if you want to use these features right there, then you will need to upgrade your account. So I'm just showing you how it works. If your account isn't upgraded, then unfortunately, you can't use these features. So you will have to upgrade the account in order to use this. Now, for the add to cart button animation, if you also want to use that, it's up to you. So you can change the animation, the note, and then for the buy X, get Y, you can also change that if you want to. So you can also enable the countdown timer. So this is what it looks like currently. So let me see. This is what it looks like. So we have now the free shipping, right? And then once they click that, this is what they're going to see. So just answer these questions right here. And then once you're now done, you can now actually save it. And then click the save button right here. And then once you do that, if you scroll down, you will now be able to see that we now have created a free shipping campaign in our products. So if we go here on the online store and click the customize button, and then if we scroll down and then click the earbuds, let's say for example this one, as you can see, this is what it looks like. So we now have the free shipping on orders over $20 and then a deal of the days and so on. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. Once again, that is how to add free shipping icon on Shopify.